purchase.
Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Mike, and it's been a crazy past 2 weeks. So it's been 2 weeks, guys, since I started traveling, and all I can say it's been way overdue. So I wanted to go ahead and make a vlog for you guys, even though I suck at these kind of videos, just to kind of give you guys an update. So we got the bikes here first and foremost. We got the 450 Betty White behind me, and I'm in a wheelchair, as you guys can see, but it's the only chair I had, so I figured I'd use it. So if you guys aren't caught up, about 2 weeks ago I went ahead and quit my job, moved out of my house, loaded all my stuff up into my truck, my 2 bikes, clothes and everything else, and I drove up to Chicago for my first stop. Basically the plot of this is to just travel around the country making content for you guys, and one of the reasons I'm able to do that now, guys, is big thanks to Ruroc. They make a really great product, guys, and I personally support them. I've been rocking them for a couple months now, and they've been able to help support me as far as my goals and everything else. When I went ahead and let them know that I was going to be making the leap to start traveling the country and riding motorcycles full time, they were more than supportive about it, so it's definitely been really great to have a company like them that's been able to support me. So definitely appreciate you guys, Ruroc, if you guys are watching. So I want to give you guys an update on the bikes too, the 450L and also Betty White. So the first night I got here, Thursday night, I went and took the 450L out, figured it'd be a better ride than riding the stunt bike around the first night I was here. And the 450L is just riding way too lean. I got the FMF PowerCore Q4 exhaust on there right now, and thing is just hating life right now. Stupid enough, I had the stock exhaust sitting in my old house when I was moving out, and I was like, should I bring it? And I was like, nah, so I left it in storage, and now I'm kind of kicking myself in the eye that I didn't pack the stock exhaust. So my plans for the 450L is to either get a Vortex ECU or DynoJet Power Commander, but I have a ride this weekend that I'm taking it on, so I'm gonna try to baby it as much as I can considering that, but I need to get a DynoJet Power Commander or Vortex ECU ASAP for that bike. Other than that, it's riding great. Yeah, it's a brand new bike, so can't really complain. As for Betty White, she's looking pretty dirty. So the past 3 weeks have been like straight abuse on this bike. We had ROC, all the training before ROC, and then right after that we had Doomsday, and then after that it's just been a bunch of hood rides and everything else all throughout Chicago the past week. So I cleaned her up completely, and then I had a stunt show over in Milwaukee at a drift event. Sunday had just passed, and it was pouring rain all day, so pretty much got the bike all messy again. But the bike's riding great. Honestly, I picked the best time to travel what I could have, just considering you guys see how often my bike breaks down. But I spent one good night with my boy John Bueller, and he got my bike all situated, and ever since then I've just been adding on to it, tightening everything down before it gets completely loose and falls off, and she's been holding up strong. So both the bikes are running great, but I'm really stoked to show you guys what we just got in this package right here. Alrighty guys, now that cringiness is out of the way, I freaking hate this thing, guys. I hate looking at a lens and just looking at myself talk to a camera. It's annoying. By the way, we're at Brian's house. Big shout out to Brian636 for letting me store my babies here. This is my boy right here, for real. If you guys don't follow Brian636, you're missing out on so much content. If you love my content, he makes the same exact stuff out here in Chicago. He's putting on for the city. He also has a Patreon too. So with everything changing in YouTube, you guys have probably noticed a lot of these street riding motorcycle riders don't make riding content anymore. They're doing like these garage vlogs and tutorials and reviews and everything else. They're just not on a bike riding, motovlogging, which you guys originally followed them for. And it's nothing against them, like they changed their ways, they just don't want to do it anymore. But a lot of them just can't do it because of all the different policies and everything else going out. So I might have a video to post for you guys today, but it's got to jump through all those hoops on YouTube, and then 3 days from now is when you guys get to see it, when it's finally monetized. So I just want to give you guys the update that I'm still putting out my riding content because I hate making vlog videos. It's great for companies and everything else. It's great for your look of your channel, but me personally, guys, I want to ride my bike, so that's why I make riding videos. And that's what we're going to continue to make when I travel and do these road trips. Just want to get that caught up, but we will be doing some reviews and unboxing videos, yada yada, when stuff like this comes. And here we are. So although she's looking great, guys, I went ahead and had a company that I've been following for years. Literally, when I first started stunt riding, the first stunt part I ever got was a long lever RSC Anger Management Edition easy pull clutch lever, and I cherished that thing, guys. I cherished it so much 4 or 5 years ago when I first started stunt riding that to this day I still have this clutch lever, guys. Look how destroyed this thing is. still pulling like a champ. So RSC is hands down one of the biggest stunt companies in the world. If you stunt ride, you know who RSC is. Simple as that. Even non-stunt riders know this company. So I was blessed enough when I went to Tennessee for the Jesse Toller event a couple weeks ago to finally meet the man himself, Mr. Josh Miller, who created the company. And it was just an absolute honor to meet him and just chop it up with him. So long story short, I went ahead and spoke with Josh, and we've been keeping in contact ever since I met him in Tennessee. And he was definitely wanting to support everything going on with Betty White and all the other girls. So he went ahead and sent me a little package, guys, and I want to share it with you guys because I'm beyond stoked. I've been shaking ever since I got the box, and like videos like this where like I gotta wait a couple hours to film it, I'm like, I gotta do it for you guys. Got some bubble wrap. All right, it's first accessory. Well, we just take all the stuff out of the box first. Beautiful 636 exhaust, guys. You see this busted Muzzy I went ahead and made a couple weeks ago, but we're replacing it with this awesome exhaust. What's up, Maddie? You want to help me unbox? Yep. Anybody need a sticker besides you? It's such an iconic logo, guys. I'm just gonna rip open through them and maybe speed it up, who knows. Hey, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Alright, dog's trying to tear into everything, but I'm just gonna bust open everything and see what we got. Oh, man. There you go. The first piece for the CRF. Look at that, guys. Oh no. So sick. Look at the way he packages people. He wraps this one in napkins so that it doesn't scratch this one. Like, this is quality, people. All right, we're getting scissors. Oh, fuck this. We got scissors, people. We're in there. These should be the clamps for the forks, for the clip-ons. Yes, indeed. You guys are probably all wondering about the 2019. And she's slowly getting more parts. So I should probably tell you guys what happened with the 2019. Obviously, just bringing my truck and no trailer, I can only fit the 2 bikes. So she sadly is sitting at home in Florida at my dad's place in storage until I get back. But I plan on visiting Florida here and there, so at least I got a bike. If I end up flying over there, I can just hop on and ride. So we'll bring this with us in the suitcase if we end up flying back, so we can go ahead and toss this on. Oh, I was looking at the sticker through the package and it was upside down, so I was getting really worried, but he let me put it on myself so I can mess it up. Thanks, Josh. But it was like this. I was like, uh-oh, this isn't gonna turn out well. Oh, so guys, I've always wanted a Rasta clutch lever and we finally got one. Look at that. This is it right here. That sub cage crossbar, baby. That's how you make a sub cage crossbar. You don't make it this thin, you make that thick. You ain't snapping this. That's what happened to my last sub cage. My last sub cage was this thick and I snapped it in half, but look at how thick that is. Do you guys think I can break this sub cage? Wow, guys, this is major. I'm about to start tearing up right now. Wow. Thank you so much, RSC. For real, thank you so much. I'm still just trying to like bring it all in that this is what I'm doing right now, and it's just amazing, people. Like, really, thank you. Live life and enjoy, guys. That's all it's about. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this stuff on, guys, but I wanted to cover a couple more things for you guys before we do that. That way we're all up to schedule. So the first thing, my travel plans for the next couple weeks. So tomorrow, Thursday, I'm gonna be leaving and I'm going out to Dallas for the Lone Star ride, and that's gonna be up until Sunday or Monday, and then I'll come back to Chicago, and then I might be flying back to Florida for a couple days, and then coming back here to Chicago. And then we got some plans for the weekend. But if you guys have any rides, any events, I'll do a birthday party stunt show if the paper's right. Anything that you guys got going on, just feel free to drop in the comments, because that's how this trip's gonna work. Keep me in the loop, guys, and look forward to seeing a new adventure whenever one pops up. The last update I want to give you guys is my YouTube upload schedule. You guys have probably been noticing I've been dropping a video every 2 to 3 days, and I'm gonna try to keep that rhythm going. Daily vlogs is out of the question. Kind of getting back to what I was telling you about getting your videos reviewed on YouTube with monetizing and everything else. So content like mine that's a little edgier, it's a lot more of a process to get it up onto YouTube with actual ads running and everything else. So I can't do daily uploads, but I'm going to try to do every other day uploads. And it'll be more, obviously, now that I'm traveling 24/7, all this content is going to be fresh content that's new and is just happening in my life. But there's also going to be a ton of footage that I've had stocked up for months on end that I haven't had a chance to edit. So I'm going to be dropping all these random edits from months ago, and just bear with me guys because it's good content, but I just got to get it out there, that way it's posted, because I've never had a chance to have time to edit it until now. So we're going to be posting new videos of stuff that's happening day by day basis, like daily vlogs type deal. And then also I'm going to be dropping like older videos from a couple days ago, yada yada. So I'll be sprinkling some older edits in that I haven't had a chance to finish up. So yeah, that covers everything. We're going to get all these parts together and then start putting them on Betty White in the 450. Stay tuned, people. Alright, and then you got these ugly exhaust clamps. I'm so happy to get rid of this. Say goodbye to the Muzzy. And we're swapping around with this beautiful RSC exhaust, and it has a silencer built in so you can take it on or off with these simple 3 bolts. I think I'm going to keep it in for now so that way we're not screaming all over the place. Get the f off! Whatever this adapter thing is, I finally got it off. I wonder how she sounds without an exhaust. Yeah, we need one. Simple install. Alright, new exhaust mounted. Yes, that looks sick. I haven't even put the sticker on yet. Let's hear how she sounds. So crispy. So next we're going to take the New Breed sub cage off, which I actually love this thing. It's got the Euro bend for the peg, so it's easier for your legs to hit them. But we're going to go ahead and swap it out to the RSC sub cage because this thing is a little too bent. I cracked it over here dropping it in my truck a while ago. So she's well overdue for a new sub cage. Another super easy install. You just got these 4 bolts. You just want to crack them all loose and then slowly take them out. Alright, final bolt. And the sub cage is off. Old faithful, you see how the pegs bend up? I'm not going to have that with this one, but at least with this adjuster you can swivel the pegs up and down, so it's definitely going to be a game changer for me. We're about to put this sub cage on, and my boy Rick just texted me and told me he can make his trip to Texas with me tomorrow, so I won't be driving 14 hours by myself. Threads on this one, and before I snug it all up, I'm actually going to put the other side peg on. Guys, we got the bikes all washed up, new parts installed. They are looking absolutely awesome. Rasta clutch on the old Betty and the old red ski for the 450, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new look of the bike. Ooh wee. She's looking amazing, people. Running great too. So I'm gonna wrap up this video, guys. I gotta go ahead and load the 450L up and make my way out to Dallas. I hope to see some people this weekend. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be traveling the country from here on out, checking out different stops and keeping you guys entertained with tons of motorcycle content. So thank you again for the support, guys. Check out my Patreon if you guys want to see some more content behind the scenes, etc. And like always, keep it dank. Later.
Yeah, like to keep it mellow.